Okay, now in section A, first question, we have to choose the correct option. Now the first question is compound interest on rupees 1000 at 10% per annum compounded annually for 2 years. So this is the principal given to you, this is the rate given to you, and time is given to you, and you have to calculate compound interest. Now the basic formula for compound interest is amount minus principal. Okay, for amount we can apply the formula yearly one, P1 plus R by 100 raised to power of n. This is the formula for amount, and then minus P. Now let's substitute the values in this formula. So principal given to you is 1000, rate given is 10, time given is 2, and minus P, that is 1000. So you will be getting, within the bracket, if you simplify, you are getting 11 by 10 raised to power of 2. So this will give you 11 square 121 upon 10 square 100 minus 1000. So this will give you 1210 minus 1000. So this will give you rupees 210. So the compound interest for 2 years will be rupees 210. So in this one, the correct option will be C part, that is rupees 210, this one. Okay, now moving on to the next one. We have been given A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Then you have to find the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Now straight away you must be knowing this, that whenever A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then value of A cube, B cube plus C cube is always equal to 3 ABC. So straight away you can write this formula, 3 ABC. Then x plus y is given to us as 11, xy is 24, and you have to calculate x square plus y square. Okay, so I will show you working of this one. X plus y is equal to 11, xy is 24. So for the third part, you can use the formula x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Now x plus y is given to you as 11, x square plus y square you have to calculate twice, and xy is given as 24. So this will be 121, this will give you 48. So 121 minus 48. So when you subtract, you will be getting 73. So x square plus y square is equal to 73. So you will go for option B. Now we have to find the factorization of x square minus 4x minus 12. Okay, in the fourth part I will show you the working. X square minus 4x minus 12. So working of this, you will be splitting the middle term here. So product needed is 12, and the difference, see, product is negative, so product needed is 12 and the difference is 4. So you can say, you can go for minus 6x and plus 2x. So taking x common from the first group, then taking 2 common from the second group, so you are getting factorization as x minus 6 and x plus 2. So factorization is x minus 6 and x plus 2. So you will go for option B, this one. Now x is given 3, y is given k, and they are saying that this is the solution of this equation. Now value of x and y are said to be solution of this equation, so that means in this equation you can substitute value of x as 3 and value of y as k. So let's solve it. So here in the fifth part, equation given is 3x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now they are saying x is equal to 3, so you will substitute value of x as 3, and y is equal to k, you will substitute y as k. This will give you 9 minus 4k plus 7, so this will become 16. You will transfer 4k to the other side, so you are getting value of k as 4. So we are getting value of k as 4, so our option will be C part here. Okay, now the next one is the sum of two natural numbers is 25 and their difference is 7. So first of all, they have given you sum of two natural number as 25 and the difference is 7. So let the two numbers be x and y. So first of all, they have given you sum, so you add the two numbers and the sum given to you is 25. And now the difference of these two numbers is equal to 7. So we are getting these two equations, equation 1. So here you can see in this equation y will be eliminated, plus y minus y. So it's 2x is equal to 32. So x is equal to 32 upon 2. So you will get value for x as 16. Now from here you can get value for y also. See, equation number 1 says x plus y is equal to 25. X you have got 16. So you will be getting value of y as 9. So x is equal to 16 and y is equal to 9. So we will go for this option 16 and 9, the two numbers. Okay, now here, which of the following is not the criteria for congruency of triangles? Now SAS, as you know that this is the criteria. Then we have ASA, that is also a criteria. SSA, now this is not a criteria. So option will be C part. Rest are the criteria for proving triangles to be congruent, but SSA is not the criteria. Now moving on to the eighth part. Eighth part, they say AB is equal to AC. Now in triangle ABC, the two sides are equal. So remember, in a triangle, if two sides are equal, then angles opposite to them will be equal. So if I draw a rough sketch of a triangle over here, see, so this we are doing eighth part. So let us consider a triangle, and in this triangle they are saying side AB is equal to side AC. AB is given equal to AC. Now as the two sides are given equal, so remember, in a triangle, if two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to them, they are also equal. So opposite to AB we have angle C, and opposite to AC we have angle B. So angle C and angle B both will be equal, and in the question angle B is given as 50. Angle B is given as 50. So if B is 50, so C will be 50. So both angle C and B will be 50 degree. So the question says you have to find angle C. So angle C is equal to 50 degree. So this will be our option for the 8th part. Now moving on to the 9th part. Now in the 9th part they have said we have 5 whole number 1 by 16. 5 whole number 1 by 16 and whole raised to power of minus 3 by 4. Now first of all we will be solving within the bracket here. 16, 580 and 181 upon 16 whole raised to power of minus 3 by 4. Now converting them into prime factors, so 81 can be written as 3 raised to power of 4, 16 can be written as 2 raised to power of 4. Now when we open the bracket, or you can take power 4 common from here. So if you take power 4 common, so you will be left 3 upon 2. Now you are taking power 4 common, so power 4 common, and initially we had power minus 3 upon 4. 4 and 4 will cancel out, so you are left with 3 upon 2 with negative power. Now whenever the power is negative, to make it positive you can take the reciprocal, so you will take reciprocal over here, so this will become 2 upon 3 and power becomes positive. Now if I simplify it, 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27, so result is 8 by 27. So here in this one option will be D. For the 9th part option is D. Now moving on to the 10th part. See, okay, now the 10th part is we have 5 raised to power of 3x is equal to 125. So it's given 5 raised to power of 3x is equal to 125. Now we have to find value of x. On the left side we have base 5 raised to power of 3x. Right side 125 can be written as 5 cube. Now you can see base both the sides are equal, so you can equate the power. So 3x is equal to 3, so x is equal to 3 by 3, that will give you 1. So our option for the 10th part, our option will be C. Okay, here you can do this one directly. This is an identity of trigonometry. 1 plus tan square. Now you all must be knowing 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square. So 11th we have option A. Now they have given you cos A as 24 upon 25 and you have to find value of sin A. Okay. See, in 12th part they have given us cos A as 24 upon 25, right? And we have to find sin A. Now here we can use an identity. You all must be knowing sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So in this formula, let's substitute cos value as 24 upon 25 whole square. (24) square is 576. 25 square is 625. So sin square 1 minus 576 upon 625. Now when you subtract this, you will be getting 625 minus 576, that is 49 upon 625. This is value for sine square, so sine will be under root of this, so you will be getting 7 upon 25. So value for sine A will be 7 upon 25. So in this one we will go for option B. Okay, now the 13th part. 13th part, as you can see, it is based on values of standard angles. We have tan 30 upon cot 60. So it's 13th part. Question is like this: tan 30 upon cot 60. Now to make our calculation a little bit easy, what we can do, it's tan 30. In the denominator place we have cot 60. If I take reciprocal, it will become tan 60 in the numerator place. See, cot 60 in the denominator place can be written as tan 60 in the numerator place. Now let's substitute the values. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. Tan 60, that is root 3. Root 3 will cancel out and the value will be 1. So here in 13th part, option will be D. Now here we have to multiply these. See, in the 14th part, it is 3x raised to power of 4 y cube into 18 x cube y raised to power of 5. Now when we multiply it, first of all the numerical values, 18 into 3 will give us 54. Now here x and x, same base, are being multiplied. So using the indices law, we can say when same base are multiplied, powers are added. So x will be having the power 4 plus 3, 7. Similarly for multiplication of y, same base are being multiplied, again powers will be added. So for y, power will be 3 plus 5, that is 8. So this will be your result. So we will go for option B. The last part, we have to find the factorization of 12a square plus 15ab square. We have 12a square b plus 15ab square. Now first of all, taking common from the numeral part, so it's 3. Then taking common from a square and a, it is a. Taking common from b and b square, it will be b. So here you will be left with 4a, and here you will be left with 5b. So your result will be 3ab, and within bracket you have 4a plus 5b. Option C. So this question number 1 for MCQ is clear to you. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Now we have question number 2 and A part of it. See, question number 2, A part. Question number 2 says, find the amount and compound interest on rupees 15,000. So here rupees 15,000 is principal for us. This is time, 2 years, this is a rate. And what you have to find is amount and compound interest. So first of all, using the formula for amount, principal is 15,000 Rate given is 8, time is 2, so it's 15,000. Within bracket you take LCM, so you'll be getting 108 upon 100. Take LCM and simplify, so it's 15,000 into square of 108 upon square of 100. Right? So let's solve this one. 5 will cancel it 3 times, 5 will cancel it 2 times, 2 will cancel this 54 times. So you are getting 3 into 108 into 54. So you are getting amount as 17496. So this will be your amount. Next you have to find compound interest also. Okay, so to find the compound interest, see, compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. 17496, you will subtract 15,000, so you'll be getting 2,496. So this will be the compound interest. Okay, now moving on to the B part. Okay. Now in B part they have given you x is equal to 2y plus 6, and next you have to find value of this. Now see, value that you have to find contains cube terms. Value that you have to find contains the cube term. So what we will do, we will try to cube this relation. Now how you will cube this relation? See, it's x is equal to 2y plus 6. First we will arrange like this, and now the value that we have to find, that expression is containing cube terms. So what we will do, we will be taking cube both the sides, taking cube both sides. Now when you take cube of both the sides, on the left side you will apply the formula a minus b whole cube. See, on the left side you are going to apply the formula a minus b whole cube. This is minus a minus b whole cube. Now formula for a minus b whole cube, let me write the formula for you first. It is a cube minus b cube, sorry, we have to write cube, minus 3ab a minus b. This is the formula. So we are going to use this formula on the left side. Here a is x and b is 2y. So it's x minus 2y, and cube of 6 on the right side. On the right side you have to take cube of 6, so that will give you 216. Now this will give you x cube minus 8y cube. Outside the bracket we are getting 6xy. Now see, within the bracket it is x minus 2y, and you can see x minus 2y is equal to 6. So we can write 6 here. So this will give you x cube minus 8y cube minus 36xy. You bring minus 216 this side, so it becomes minus 216. On the right side you are left with 0. So value of x cube minus 8y cube minus 36xy minus 216. So you have to find value of this expression, so the value is coming out 0. Okay, now moving on to the next part. C part. See, in the C part, they have given us two expressions and both are to be factorized. First of all, this one, C. Expression is 2x square minus 7x plus 6. Now as you can see here, product, it is a trinomial, so product is 12 and product is positive, so you need sum. So that means you need two numbers whose product will be 12 and their sum will be 7. So we can replace 7 by 4 plus 3. 4 and 3, their product will give you 6 2s are 12 and their sum will give you 7. Now pairing, from the first pair you can take 2x common, from the second pair you can take 3 common, so you are getting x minus 2, 2x minus 3. So this will be the factorization. Now in the second part, it's 3x raised to power of 5 minus 48x. 3x raised to power of 5 minus 48x. Now first of all, you can see in this group you can take 3x common. So if I take 3x common, I am left with x raised to power of 4 minus 16. Okay, now these two terms, x raised to power of 4 and 16, both can be converted into square. So let's convert these two into square. So this can be written as x square whole square. This can be written as 4 square. So we have got a square minus b square. So this will give you a plus b, a minus b. Now this again can be written as difference of two squares. See, x square minus 2 square. So this will give us the result x plus 2, x minus 2. This will be your answer. Okay, now moving on to the next part, that is the D part. Okay, no, only we have three parts, A, B, C. Now moving on to the next question, question number 3. So the first part of it. So in the first part, they have given you two equations. See, this is the first equation, this one is the second equation, and you have to solve these two equations simultaneously. Now no method is mentioned, so you can solve these two equations by any of the method you want, because method has not been mentioned. So you can solve these two equations by any of the method which you find easy. Okay, I am solving it by elimination method by making the coefficients same. So I'm going to make coefficient of x same. Now you can see in the first equation, coefficient number for x is 4. I will multiply the second one by 4. And in the second equation, coefficient number of x is 1. I will multiply the first one by 1. Okay, let's see what result I will get here. First equation remains as it is. Second equation multiplied by 4 will give you 4x minus 8y is equal to 12. Coefficient of x are same, so we will change the numbers just, and then you can see you change the sign. Coefficients are same, just change the sign and you will get x eliminated. So from here you are getting 5y and this will give you 4. See, sorry, this equation, sorry, wait, we have made a mistake. This is minus 3, not 3, this is minus 3, so this will become minus 12. So on changing the sign, this will become plus 12, so this is 20, this is 20. Okay, so value of y will be 20 upon 5, so value of y will be 4. So we have got value for y as 4. Now solving for x, first equation, 4x minus 3y is equal to 8. So this will give you 4x minus 3 into 4. This will become minus 12, transfer it that side, it will become plus 12. So 4x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 upon 4. So the question says you have to find value for x and y. So it's 4 and 5. This was the A part. Now moving on to the other part, this one. Find the value of C. So in B part, the first term is 4 upon 216 raised to power of minus 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 256 raised to power of minus 3 by 4, 2 upon 243 raised to power of minus 1 by 3, so 1 by 5. Now how we will simplify it? First of all, you can see in all the three terms denominator is having the negative power. So denominator having the negative power, you transfer it to the numerator part and the sign of the power gets reversed. So it will be 4 into, this will be transferred in the numerator place, and as you transfer a term from denominator to numerator or from numerator to denominator, sign of power will change. It becomes plus 2 upon 3. In the second term, again denominator is having negative power, so you will transfer the term, so it will become 256 numerator place, power sign will change. This will be 2 into, you will transfer this one, 243, sign of power will change. See, now let's convert them into prime factors, or you can, okay, 216, or you can write it as 6 cube. 216 can also be written as 6 cube. (256) 256 can be written as 4 raised to power of 4. (243) can be written as 3 raised to power of 5. Now when you will open the bracket, this 3 and 3 will cancel, you will be getting 6 square. Here you open the bracket, 4 and 4 will cancel out, so 4 raised to power of 3. In this one, 5 and 5 will cancel, so 3 raised to power of. Okay, now you simplify it, so it will be 4 into 6 square, that is 36. 4 cube, that will give you 64. Then 2 into 3, 6. 36 into 4, 144. Plus 64 plus 6, 70. So finally you are getting the result 214. That's the B part of it. Now moving on to the C part. In the C part, it is based on values of trigonometrical values for standard angles. See the first one, it is sine 45. cos 45 cos 60 plus 7 sin 30 cosec 30 and minus 1 by 4. Now let us substitute the standard values over here. Sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, sin 30 1 by 2. Now cosec 30 is 2 minus 1 by 4. This will give you 1 by 4 plus 7 minus 1 by 4. Plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, you can cancel it out directly, so you are left with 7. The answer will be 7. Now moving on to the last part of it. Sin 30. Okay. So I'm writing the part here. Sin 30 minus sin 90 plus 2 cos 0. In the denominator place you have tan 30 into tan 60. Okay, now let's substitute the values. Sin 30 is half, sin 90 is 1, cos 0 is 1. In the denominator place, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 and root 3 will cancel out. So you are left with 1 upon 2 minus 1 and plus 2. LCM will be 2, 1 minus 2 plus 4. So the result will be 3 by 2. So your answer will be 3 by 2. So with this we come to the end of section A.